What's up guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Avanti Pro masonry drill bits. So what you can see here, you can drill a cinder block or bricks. Three-piece masonry set. There's a big one, a medium one, and there's a small one right there. Not much on the back to talk about. Let's just get right into it. Okay, and then we have this open. Let's take a look. Alright, so as you can see, the masonry one has special grooves compared to a wood bit. This one here, as you can see here, this one has different grooves and a different tip. This one here has very spiraled grooves to make it more powerful and effective for drilling into hard concrete. This one is just for plain 2x4s or just regular wood, so it doesn't have to be that powerful. But these do need to be powerful. So you have the big one, it does not have a shank, so you would have to use a regular drill. So that's the medium one, and here's the smallest. So they're basically just for making different sized holes. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this tool review, and I will see you guys next time.